Hello everyone, welcome to IPM Academy. My name is Srinivas and I'm here to discuss about one of the wonderful career options available for 12th class students. A program called IPM, the full form being Integrated Program in Management. Over the next 2 minutes in this video, I'm going to discuss about the 4 W's about the program. What is the program? Who is this program for? Which are the colleges offering this program? And what is the procedure to get into this program? The program, as the name indicates, it's a 5-year integrated program. It is basically divided into 3 years of graduation and 2 years of an MBA. So a student who is qualified for this program, who enrolls into this program, will graduate at the end of 5 years along with their Masters in Business Administration. The 3-year, which is a graduation program, could be a BA, a BBA or a BCom, depending upon the college which is offering the program. Whereas the next 2 years is an MBA program, which almost all colleges give the same. Let us now move on to the second W. Who is this program for? As I said, it's a career option for students in 12th class. Any student from the 12th class background, be it commerce or science or any other background for that matter, is eligible to get into this program. While it is recommended that students who are really interested in an MBA as a career option take up this program, because of the nature of a 3+2 division, a student who is really interested to get into some of the top business schools, even for a graduation course, you can get in, study there for 3 years, and if you do not want to pursue management, you can exit after 3 years. The list which I'm going to talk about basically is a list of top business schools in the country. The colleges which are offering this program, the top ones are IIM Indore, IIM Ranchi, IIM Bodh Gaya, IIM Rohtak, and IIM Jammu. And then you have IIIT Allahabad, Nirma University, NMIMS, to name a few. When is this exam and what exactly is the procedure? The procedure is easy. It's an entrance exam followed by an interview. And different colleges conduct their own entrance exams. Usually the entrance exams are conducted in the month of April end or mid of May. However, 2021 being a special year because of the COVID-19, the dates have been pushed to June. Stay tuned for more videos on IPM by subscribing to our channel.